Time check guys! It's Jeff time! Hi guys! Orders ready! So ayun guys, naka-receive nga kami dyan ng order through Talabat ng Pansit Bihon guys. Kaya pinrepare na namin ang first ingredients for Pansit Bihon guys. Meron na yung fresh vegetable, carrots, cabbage, Chinese cabbage, short beans, onion, garlic, and fresh seafood guys, shrimp and squid ball guys. So ayun guys, abang ini-start ko ng lutuin dyan yung Pansit Bihon na order ni Madam, kumakanta pa ako dyan ng Kung Inaakala Mo, Diyos. So guys, please comment down below kung sino sa inyo ang mga nakatikim na ng Pansit Bihon ng GFH Street Restaurant, kung anong masasabi nyo sa Pansit Bihon ng GFH Street Restaurant. And for those who want to try the real happiness and satisfaction, please do order to your GFH Street Restaurant. For delivery guys, meron kaming Talabat, Smiles, and Noon. Download lang po kayo ng mga application na to and pwede na po kayong umorder at magpa-deliver ng mga paborito nyong pagkain sa inyong GFH Street Restaurant. So once again guys, once you order your food, that's the time only we cook and prepare your food. So you can guarantee your food have good quality and safety food for your happiness and satisfaction. Good food, good mood. Everyday fresh, quality goods. So guys, kung maabot kayo sa video to, please don't forget to like, share, follow the GFH Street page in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for more updates. At kung nagustuhan nyo mo itong video to, please comment down below paano pa namin ma-improve ang aming luto at ang pagkuha ng video na ito guys. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Let's go. Pansit Bihon tayo guys. Thank you so much.